Alright, so I'm messing around with a vintage bike. It's a 1980s Yamaha. I'll show you how to get the back wheel off. You do not necessarily have to take off the springs. You don't need to take off the other spring. You can actually leave those on just for the arm. But what you do have to take off is a little clamp bolt, little guy right there. You have to take him off. You also got to take this guy off right here. And to get that off, you obviously loosen it right there on the bottom. And you stick something up in there like that, and you go, kind of like late at night. And if you're trying to get that off, it's really not that hard. You have to take off those 4 bolts like that, and you wiggle and jiggle it to get that off of there. But before you do that, you just want to drain your fluid, not on the floor. Like, alright dude, how do I get the wheel off of the frame? It is bolted to it still. You are looking at this guy right here. This is the actual axle that supports all the way through the wheel into the frame. You got to use basically a punch tool to drive it out, because it looks a lot like that. This right here is your guy. This is what you want. Then you get a hammer and you drive it out like this, and eventually it'll pop out. And if you're jacking with this cap to try to get this cap on, it is simply just held on by a good snug fit. If you just take a hammer and hit it from the backside through there, or tap it, don't get a hammer, it's aluminum, just be careful, and tap it upside down, put some blocks over on the side, this will actually pop off. Now I can probably take it off by hand, but I just put it on there. I don't feel like doing more work twice. But yeah, just get something, a block of wood, and hit it from the other side, and this guy will eventually come popping right off. Yep. Here we are. Here's my new set, and looking side by side, you can see how this one's got a little more meat than the other one. Looks nice. Yeah. There's the number, EBC 512. Looks like that. Ferrado, whoever Ferrado is.
Ferrado's your mama's boyfriend.
Comes with a couple springs. Yay. Also, if you look right there, EBC 512. Hey, it matches.
That easy. Unnecessary whacking. There's no damage on the inside of the rotor. Mine looks fine. You can see that. It's good. I mean, you can always clean it up with some brake cleaner or something, but I don't have any of that, so might not want that residue. There's no adjustment on this. This is just simple. It's a lever. I mean, you twist it, and this guy twists like that, and he opens right up and he pushes it. There's nothing here. Just a simple drum lever. I mean, so I have to line these. Back with that. So, just simply have to rotate the tire just a little bit. Come on, baby. Come on, get on there. You know you want to go in there. Go under that. Do it. There she went, just like that. You can see how she went in there, so now I'm just going to go get the nuts. It's good to go. Drive shaft is in place. Awesome.
$14mm seems to work just fine.
so I'm gonna put the shaft in here now, and I'm just gonna put just a little bit of grease on here. Like, oh my god, it's a lot! Alright, so washer goes like this, and washer goes on the inside, back. And you push it like that, and you might have to jiggle it, jiggle it, jiggle it. What, Bubba? What? What do you want, little guy? Bye-bye. Just like that. Come on here. Okay, it's pretty tight. Okay. Okay, maybe I'm good. Okay, maybe I'm good. Hi, Bubba. Well, figure it out, kiddo. Trial. Alright, so now I'm just gonna do this. Oops, there we go. Just like that. I'm down here! And then I'll run a second though on that to jam it. And then the other bolt goes right through there. Okay, so I'm just gonna pull. Oops, I should be replacing that, but I really don't have the time or the money right now, so I'm just gonna put the old shit back in. Anybody really cares? You know, maybe just buy me a new one. See if I care. I can spit on it a little bit. Oh, Jesus Christ. Always goes in a little bit easier. Just spit on it. Alright. Now I'm just gonna take up on it. The other side's blocking it. Other side's up.
Alright, so this is about as easy as brakes get.
Hey, please like and subscribe. I spend a great deal of my time and effort trying to keep you interested in where the heck I'm doing today. Your support only goes to the news feed. If you don't like being annoyed, just don't let me know. There's a little drop-down button up the side where it says don't show me notifications rather than unsubscribe. Don't worry, only 2% of people that watch my videos subscribe, which sucks! Subscribe, like,